Good morning, you guys. We've got another Las Vegas adventure today. We are going to New York to go ride the roller coaster there. Jim is not here today. He's not looking at any of the walls, which is kind of a bummer, but he had to go back to Phoenix last night because they're cutting a hole in his house. So he needed to be there for that. But for the squad today, we're going to be rolling with my sister's friends, Amy and Chris, their son, Parker, and my nephew, Noah. So, that's the group. We're gonna go ride a roller coaster. Let's go. There it is. New York, New York. Roller coaster. Alrighty, you boys ready for the roller coaster? Yes.
I'm scared.
You're scared? Uh-oh.
I'm not scared, I'm just scared.
I think you'll like it. Yeah, it's a big one, dude. Have you ridden one that big before?
No.
Oh, this is a big deal. This is Noah's first big roller coaster.
That's 6 Flags.
Oh my god, it smells like cigarettes.
Yeah, it smells awful in here. Each day I stay here, my lungs get a little more congested. Just Vegas things. Secondhand smoke and coughing your lungs out. There's no one in here right now. It's super quiet. This is cool though. Coaster time, the escalator, Manhattan Express. Although, isn't it called the Big Apple Coaster? That's what it opened as. This is the Manhattan Express, I believe. TV.
But if I tickets.
Oh, come on, Noah. You can do it, dude. Come on. Do it. You're saying no?
I don't think you guys can peer pressure me.
Are you going?
Oh,
I
man.
can't peer pressure me.
Oh, come on, Noah.
It's a loop in it.
Yeah, what scares you about the loop, though?
All of it.
What part of the loop, though?
Literally, that's
Is it going upside down that scares you?
mostly
Why does it scare you?
because they're going upside down.
Yeah, you're locked in, though. And you're gonna be you'll be upside down for less than a second. Try thinking about that upside down moment and thinking about it as being really, really fun. No, make yourself do that. You gotta make yourself do that.
He's like, yeah, no.
I'm shaky looking out the window of my hotel.
Oh, come on, dude. $100. I will give you $100. I want him to
Maybe I'll do
go.
it.
Roller coaster this way. Interesting queue line we got in here, and we've got these tickets that we got to take up there to go get stamped when she calls us up. All right, Parker, here we go. Well, I'm glad you're doing it right now, at least. Proud of you for getting on it. It'll be so fun. Woo! Here we go. On the first try. That's a surprisingly good first try. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Good. Ow, I hit my head on that one.
Yeah, same here.
How was that?
Fun.
Good, man. Yeah, that was fun. That inversion right there hurt my head, though. The dive. Whoa! Oh, cool. There's restaurants or something. That was a pretty fun coaster, though. It was a bit rough. There was a moment on that second inversion where I bonked my head. That didn't feel too good. But the first drop was better than I was expecting, honestly. So overall, fun ride. What you gonna get? 10 tickets. Alright, we're gonna play the piano game. Do we just smack it to start? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You just hit him as fast as possible. Shit, what? It goes faster the faster you get them like correct.
I did not make the leaderboard. I know I did not make the leaderboard.
Where are we at? 6th and 14th on the leaderboard.
Oh,
Let's go. Look, check out this VR, you guys. Like, they don't have to have gloves on, but it reads their hands. There's like cameras on the outside of the mask. We can see the video up there and what they're doing here. You gotta grab all the bugs. Oh! Punch him. Wave them away. Oh! Punch the rocks. They're gonna get eaten by giant plants. They got eaten. Oh my god. Oh wait. But Kong saved them. Thank you, Kong. Wait, in this claw machine you could win the claw. That's the ultimate prize. I'm trying it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, you got it? Okay, cool. One money. Got one monies. One money. Hello? Let's go down. How many dudes does it take to figure out how to play the claw machine? That's not working. I wanted to win the claw. Okay, well.
Did you get it?
No, I can't get it to start. I put $1 in.
Oh no, it says it's 30 credits.
No, it costs 30 credits.
Oh.
But I have $1.
it's like a kid-friendly casino.
Yeah, that's what all arcades are.
Alright, which one? You got your ticket.
Alright, thanks, man. Well, okay, I guess I just lost $1. I don't know. Oh, a giant claw machine.
Just a bit slow.
Rolling on to the next thing now. Not really sure what the next thing's gonna be, so I'm just gonna keep the vlog going. We did the coaster. If anyone wants to hang out longer, keep the vibe going. Checking out the Hershey store. Getting all the chocolates. Oh, the giant Hershey's. Oh my god. It's a pound of chocolate. Oh, there's just some more stuff up here. The Reese's Cup area. The Statue of Liberty made out of Twizzlers. Are these actual Twizzlers?
I think
They look
so.
like-
I think they're just like constantly
but-
like preserved, like paint and stuff.
Yeah.
And resin.
Like painted over. Yeah. It's all Twizzlers. Huh. Well, don't press on it. Don't move it.
It's really easy to move.
Yeah. I like looked up and I was filming and it just moved. I'm like, oh! I thought it was gonna fall.
Go get dropped off in front of the
Drippy. Wow. This is a cool view. It's so pretty out. Yeah, it feels great. A giant plum? Or it's an apple. A big apple, but it's purple. Yeah. And it's actually called the Big Apple Coaster. View of the coaster from this street down here looks so good. We found the imposter. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Skittles hiding amongst all the M&Ms. Super M-E-T. Extra tasty. Whoa, you guys are in the middle of space. Whoa. You're, all right, now you're chilling on a beach. Now you're, what's something else? I don't know. What's something crazy? The world is ending. It's the apocalypse. Here you go, look at it. Whoa. You guys are in.
Right here. My hand.
Ah, my hand is gone. Ah.
So is mine.
Ah. Okay, this is so girl boss. There she is, the queen. Cuddle with M. Grab and go. This is the M&M I'm getting. What you guys doing? Perfect. Companies during Pride Month be like, we're gay too.
We are sashaying away with deals. Yeah, we wouldn't. Your part wouldn't. Hey.
Honestly, I'm not really much of an enjoyer.
I'm not enjoyer either.
Yeah.
I love M.
Noah is an enjoyer.
I love M.
Question: are you an enjoyer or a not enjoyer? Let me know in the comments. Okay, this was a massive mistake. I feel like I've been drinking so much of this, and I'm only this far into it, and I'm already feeling it. This is not good. And I didn't eat breakfast. They used to have bodies, then they chopped them off. They chopped off their torsos and just stuck arms and legs on them.
Like evolved.
Maybe the ones with bodies all died off and they weren't superior enough to survive evolution.
Yeah.
But the ones that didn't have bodies and only had arms and legs survived.
Dang.
Dang, this is some heavy lore right now. We got a big, gigantic Coca-Cola bottle here. All right, we're going in. Coca-Cola store. Here we go. the Vegas experience like no other. Oh my god, can you believe it? Coca-Cola is gay too. Corporate money snatching that bag for Pride Month. La.
It's almost Pride Month, right?
It is Pride Month. Today is the first
It
day.
is.
Happy Pride Month, you guys. I should have worn my gay Reebok shirt.
You got the shoes on?
My corporate, oh, I do have them on. I am fully into Pride Month. Here we are. Look at that branding, amazing. Corporate Pride Month, hell yeah, let's go. I am feeling this drink a lot too much already, and I've only done this much. This might be a problem. But on the bright side, it doesn't taste like rum anymore. Glow up queen moment. Let's go. Clean those shoes, glow up. Here we go, the Coca-Cola elevator. Look, there's, in case it falls, there's springs to like, oh, stop. Going, you just bounce up and down a lot. Oh, Coca-Cola elevator. Oh, there's Chris. He's right there. Chris, he heard us. Oh my god, that one's going down.
When we go up,
We're gonna attack them.
it's creeping me out. I don't like it. Well, there's no stairs, Mom.
We gotta go back down. Tap that G. Ground floor, going back. Goodbye. Yes. Yeah. We're not actually going to Outback. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry, Outback. Us from disaster.
To eat at Outback Steakhouse.
Yeah. That's a good question. Oh my god, Ross. Wait. Target? They have Target here. And Walgreens? Are you kidding me? This is insane. Las Vegas is crazy. The world's largest spot dog right there. Wait, but can we gamble in Target? That's the real question. You know what I'm saying? There are eyes on top of that building looking at us. They're looking at us now. Go away. It's the eyes of Sauron. A wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man right here is a little guy. He's the little guy. Have you done this? What? Oh yeah, had the feet eat your fish. Had the fish eat your feet, I mean. Oh, the Rainforest Cafe. I want to do that sometime. I've never done that.
I've been there like once or twice. It's really cool.
Oh, nice. Oh, there's the cups. Get them away from me. Oh my god, the Eiffel Tower from Italy. Noah, no. Noah. Here we go. Noah. No. I stopped it. I didn't know I would stop it. Oops. I didn't know it would stop if I touched it. Wow, look at all that light. That's pretty lights. I have to pee so freaking bad. You guys, we are on the hunt for a restroom. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to censor these later. Jeez Louise, being assaulted out here. Yeah, they're attacking us.
Made out of meat.
Hey, yo, here's our food. I got a burger.
That
Parker got a
chicken
strip
sandwich is
steak.
Crazy.
Yeah, look at that chicken sandwich that Noah got.
I like 3 inches.
Caesar salad and short rib grilled cheese. Very yummy. This burger is amazing. Oh my god. Uh-oh. These guys have been here too long. We're back at the room now. And, I don't think I ever told you why I'm in Vegas, actually. The reason I'm in Vegas is because my sister is getting married today. Literally in a few hours. It's 2:30. She gets married at 5. So we gotta get ready. We gotta get wedding ready. And get everyone together. So that's the move now. Maybe a quick nap first. Had to pick up a quick belt from the business center that I ordered on Amazon. And now we're going to get Noah ready. I think, wait, 46. This one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The glass gardens. They grow glass here. Nice. This is cool.
Where do we sit?
You ready, Jason?
Outside.
You ready, Jason? So that was it for the wedding. Then we ate at the Eiffel Tower restaurant with this amazing view. Took some really fun pictures, you know, just had a typical reception dinner.
Shower night. Look at these shoulder pads. Long night.
Mutilate the cake. Mutilate the cake. Mutilate the cake. Yeah! Bring them people clapping that we don't. Then we did a little bit of gambling. Oh yeah. And it was a really fun evening. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like. Watch one of these other videos on the screen now, and I'll see you there. Bye!